Hi viewers, subscribers, and fans. Welcome back to another prank video on my dog. Today we'll be doing a golden dog Chili. That's the name of the dog. That was the name of dog Chili. Today I'm gonna prank my dog. As you know, it is not golden. And I'm gonna prank my dog by this chili can. You realize that there will be chili, but instead it's gonna be something else. Alright guys, please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new to this channel or sometimes new, and you need to ring the bell. Alright guys, so without further ado, let's get started with the prank video. Oh yeah, before I have to move on, I have an announcement to make. Next week I'll be making a Thanksgiving special. Plus, I'll be making a Christmas movie called The Mario Enemy Saves Christmas. So if you'd really like to see those videos, hit the subscribe button, okay? I'm sorry because I'm really sick. But pretty soon I'm going to feel better. So, if you really like this video, please subscribe. Okay, because the thing is, I'm not making another prank video not until like January or February. It just depends on how my dog is feeling. So that's all I'm gonna say. So stay tuned for the next upcoming Mario Enemy special movies. Alright guys, I'll see you later in the next scene. How are y'all doing, viewers, subscribers, and fans? Welcome back. It's great to see you again. Anyways, guys, today is going to be a really awesome day because I have no food. And the other thing is, I really hope I get a special meal because today, life is rough. R-U-F-F. Now, let's see, because I saw my best friend give me chili. So I want to see what's going to happen next. Hey Pete, you want to see that? You want to see something that's really good I see on commercial? What is it? It's a golden chili. Where? Oh, you'll see. Chili? Is that chili? Chili? Oh, I can't believe this! It's chili! It's Golden Dog Chili! OMG! Is this chili? Yes, it is. Really? Chili? Oh, I love chili! Hey, look, it says Golden Dog Chili! I'm gonna use some golden chili! Yes, you are. Guess what? What? I just want to say that this will be the last video, and then we're going to call it a year, okay? Okay. Today, life is rough. R-U-F-F, because I've been pranked for 12 times. But one day, which is today, will get better. Yes! It will be better. I'm gonna eat this chili. So, anyways, guys, please enjoy the video, okay? But this will be the last time that you're gonna see a prank video on me. But instead, I'll see you again at the Thanksgiving special. Plus, I'll see you again on the Christmas movie because I'll be participating. Anyways, let's see. Anyways, guys, let's enjoy the video. Wow, I see chili. I'm gonna grab the chili and give it to my dog. Hey P, it's chili. Chili! I smell chili. Okay, I'll tell you information about that chili. And I gotta tell you, it's gonna be a little bit boring. It's better than dog food. It's better than... it's going to be better than water. It is... This one tastes like burgers and french fries. So you want to eat it? Yes! So stop with the talking. I want to get straight to the chili. Okay. I'll bring you to the chili. Wow, this is my chili! You know what I'm gonna do? I love eating chili! Chili! I love eating chili! I hope you're excited, Pete. Oh yeah, that chili can, it's gotta be mine. Chili! This chili is going straight into my throat. And my stomach. Wow, this is going to be the best day ever. I'm having chili for dinner. Actually, it's like 3:15 in the afternoon. Sorry, it's a disclaimer. I'm eating chili. This is going to be the best moment of the year. I can't wait to try it. So without further ado, let's see what's inside this chili. Alright, this chili here is for Pete. I'll open it on the next scene. Okay, guys. I'm gonna start here. Okay. Next is right here. As you know, I use tape to tape over the chili can. Alright guys, I'll see you guys a little bit later. Okay, I'm giving this chili to my dog. Hi Robert! You gave me chili? I want to eat chili. Okay. Oh yeah, chili. Chili is mine. That's my chili. Anyways, guys. I want to see what's inside of this chili can. I love eating chili. What? What is inside? Oh, I got you good, Pete. Hey, chili dog. Hey, chili dog. Where's my chili? That's my chili. What is this? A piece of paper? I hope there's chili inside. Okay, Pete, say chili, like, a lot more. I can't wait to eat this. But instead, I got this. Oh, no. I don't want to see chili, but I got is this. It's a paper. Let's see. What is this? What is this? What is this? It's coal, Pete. Coal? You call this coal? That is more like I don't get it. I don't like this prank at all. It's the worst day ever. Ha! You got pranked. You got pranked! Well, I just want to see what's inside this chili can. The leftover chili is gonna be mine. Here we go, Pete. Alright, guys, this is the chili dog. Oh, you're gonna play with it? Oh, I'm gonna watch you film it. Watch. Go ahead. Play with it. Oh! You like eating chili, but instead it's an empty container. No, my chili is gone. It went straight to the trash. No, it's the worst day ever. Ah, you got pranked. Okay, Robert, that's enough. Hey guys, this is Robert here. As you know, today this will be the last prank video on my dog. But that's for the year. Alright, P was just a little sad that he didn't get chili. Instead, he got coal. If you want to see a chili canister, go ahead. If you don't want to, just skip this scene. It's right here. Alright guys, that's it for today. And I'll give you a challenge. Can you count how many words chili has said in the video? So that's it for today. I really hope you enjoyed this video. This is Robert. This is Pete. Signing off. Want to say anything? This is a horrible prank. I don't want to see this ever again. That's right, guys. We will be making up different pranks every time. Bye, guys.